In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing an affordable luxury handbag sent to me by Coee bags for the second time. Guys, I can't wait to show you guys the details. So let's just dive right into it. So guys, look at the packaging now. How about this? Is so chic and elegant. I can already tell that we're in for a big treat. So here it is. Here it is, guys, the star of the show. Yes, so so guys, this affordable handbag is absolutely beautiful and the quality is outstanding. It's got a shape that actually holds up and it feels incredibly durable. It's the kind of bag that can complement almost any outfit, no matter the season. I like the silver strings. Yes, I like the silver strap. Guys, you already know that life is for the living. And you always want this bag by your side. As you can see, I picked another black. Yes, I picked a black color. Now let's talk about the features of this bag, guys. It comes with a double leather handle, and it's not just stylish, but it's also comfortable to carry. You can also use the detachable and adjustable leather shoulder strap for added convenience. Make sure that you use my discount code to purchase your own. Guys, inside this bag you find a spacious interior that actually can hold literally everything that you need, and the best part is that the interior has an inbuilt purse. How cute is that? It's perfect for keeping your essentials organized and accessible. This bag is lined with Napa leather, which actually adds to its overall quality. Hey, I'm absolutely in love with this Coee handbag. It's not only affordable but also offers a level of luxury that you'd expect from much higher end brands. Guys, I can't wait to style it with different outfits and show you how versatile it is. Yes, and that's a wrap for today's video. Today's video unboxing and reviewing this fabulous handbag from Coee bags. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like my videos, and also subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. And I'll see you in my next video.